In this video, we will demonstrate how to manually backup the Spectrum Distributed Data Manager database, often referred to as the DDM database. Before the DDM can be backed up, Archive Manager must be shut down. Shutting down Archive Manager is not automatically performed as a part of the manual backup process, and Archive Manager must be shut down manually before running the backup. Shutting down Archive Manager is executed from the bin folder in the Spectrum installation directory. In the terminal window, we are already in the bin directory, so we can run the shutdown command from here. Run the command on the screen and replace edu Spectrum with the hostname of the server. With Archive Manager stopped, we can create the DDM backup. Run the following command as it appears on screen, specifying the directory and file name for the backup file at the end of the command. When the backup completes, verify the backup file was created successfully, which we can see here. So now that the backup is complete, the final step is to restart Archive Manager. Navigate back to the bin directory. Run the command as it appears on screen, replacing edu Spectrum with the server hostname. A message will appear confirming Archive Manager has started. This concludes our demonstration of how to manually back up the Distributed Data Manager (DDM) database.